Kain po tayo. Ay, ano tayong dumi. Pusit. Inihaw na pusit, tsaka inihaw na manok.
Hello.
Kain tayo. Mag-start na ako kanina eh. Kain po. Leeg ng manok. Busin mo yung rice mo, anak ka. Nakataas talaga pa ako pag makain.
Mom, I love you
Love you.
very much.
Tama. Parang gusto ko magkamay.
Wash mo na ikaw ng hands.
Nagwash na ako.
She's gonna what do you want back?
What?
She's sniffing over there.
Yan. Ay. Kain po.
Okay, kain ko. I already know. But why are you keeping say kain po?
Marami. Maraming pumapasok.
Gutom talaga siya.
Yung rice mo.
You're my best mom ever.
You're my best baby ever. Kain po. Good evening. Bawas rice mo?
The pork tastes so yummy.
Yeah, that's but you have to eat also the rice.
Is that pork healthy?
Yeah. Kamatis.
But pork is not healthy. It's not
Kamatis.
got dirt. Pork got dirt. It's because it rolls in the mud like
What?
pigs. Yung pork.
Yeah, pero nilinisan naman. Tapos niluto naman ng maayos. Anyway, that's not pork. It's chicken.
Oh. And I love chicken.
No.
That's why it tastes so yummy.
Sibuyas, kamatis. Yung rice mo, Dos, hindi pa na mauubos na yung ulam mo.
But it tastes so yummy.
Chicken pa. Para makita.
It tastes so yummy. Wow.
Kain na.
But the chicken tastes so yummy. I should not eat McDonald's fries
Yeah.
anymore.
Yeah.
But it
Because it's unhealthy. You should not eat it frequently.
and it's fake.
Oh.
And it's fake, right?
No. And it's full of preservatives, right?
And what about the hamburgers?
Yeah, there's preservatives too. But you can eat it just once a month, or I think that would be safe. But not
Okay.
every day or every week.
I want to be it every month.
Yeah.
Can I do it every month?
Nalabit yung pusa. Eto na. Sige na, sa'yo na. Para ka talagang dog.
You know Tagalog, so you have to speak Tagalog.
What?
You know Tagalog,
Yeah.
so you have to speak Tagalog.
Okay po.
I love you, Pop,
Love you.
very much.
Wala ka kong rice. Ulit.
She's sitting on my chair.
Thank you.
She's sitting. I'm thirsty nga.
Done.
Everyone thinks water is healthy.
Yeah, that's healthy.
But why is it healthy?
Because it helps you digest food.
Like your acid, it turns into acid.
Yeah. And carry nutrients all around your body.
Wow! What about papaya?
Yeah. It's healthy too.
What about pumpkin?
Yeah.
What about rambutan?
Mm-hmm. All the
We
fruits.
And we eat plants. But not broccoli.
Mm.
We don't eat
Bigay sa akin
broccoli.
ng principal namin. Thank you po, ma'am. Mamaya, ito naman, after ng kanin, ito naman tayo.
Can I try?
Later,
Okay.
eat muna tayo ng rice.
At saka pork. Ang saka squid.
Hindi yan nga pork. Chicken nga yan.
Oh.
Masarap. Sarap.
Sarap.
Tomato, orange and green
I love
Onion.
orange.
onion.
Can I eat the orange part?
Tomato yan.
Orange. Where's
Yeah.
the orange?
Yan. Mm.
Is this an orange?
Tomato.
But I want orange.
Orange na alin?
Orange inside that.
Orange na tomato nga yan. Oh,
Oh.
kain na.
I don't like tomatoes. I don't like tomatoes.
Kumain ka na ng kanin. Abusin mo na yan. Nahulog yung ano.
Ano?
Kamatis and onion. And I don't know. Garlic. Baba na dun.
She's staying there. Bow, bow, bow. He said, or
Mm. Yan ang pusa ko. Ito yung pusa na parang dog. Yan o. Nang nagkakatok sa pinto. Tapos nangangalabit. Nang hihingi ng pagkain. Para siyang aso talaga.
I love you.
Yan o. Sarap naman nun.
I love the pork, not the squid. Oh,
It's not the pork nga.
but I love porks and I love chickens too. Chicken
Ubusin mo
nuggets.
na yung rice mo.
And I love chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets from Jollibee.
Excuse me.
That means I'm full.
Konti pang hanain mo. Kainin mo kanin mo.
Dami. Like, dami.
Ubusin mo yan. Konti lang yung nilagay ko.
Oh. But my pork, oh.
Ubusin mo na, Dos. Huwag ka nang makulit. Di ba sabi ko isang sabi lang? Hi, 66 viewers. Nagtataka siya kayo.
You should do 100 viewers because there's a lot people.
Kain na. Kumain ka ng kanin.
Gusto ko subok. Daddy subok.
Are you baby?
But Daddy suboks me even when I know how to talk. Cairo, alis dyan.
Tayo na. Busog na ako.
Busog na ko din.
Dami ka nang nakain. Ikaw, konti pa lang. Huwag kang ano. Des. No. Shh. Kumakain pa ako. Mamaya ka na. Kain na tayo. Thank you. Where's me? Kumain na. Kainin na yung
Ako
kanin mo.
yung bata makulit.
Buti alam mo. Kain na. Kain tayo ng ano mamaya.
Orange. Suha.
Hindi ko na maubos.
Why are we gonna eat suha?
Kasi it's a fruit.
Huh?
It's a fruit.
I love fruits and vegetables. But not all of it. It's because sometimes I love fruits. Sometimes I love vegetables. Fruits and vegetables.
Busin mo na yan.
Let's sing the fruits and vegetables song.
Diba sabi ko isang sabi lang? Kumain ka ang kanin. Ubusin mo muna yan.
Okay.
Kuha lang akong asin.
Hello, ako yung...
Umalis na yan! Asin. Para sa suha.
Sama ako. Join ako.
Hindi pwede.
Why? Why should I not join?
Bawal pa sa TikTok yung underage. Alis nga, meow!
Video lang? Give me.
Ubusin mo muna yan. Para bigyan kita. Uy, mami. Alis. Ay, ang hirap buksan.
Look at my tummy now. Look at my tummy now.
Konti pa lang ang kinain mo, Dos. Huwag mo akong inaan. Tudun, tudun.